So today we are going to start the chapter sentence, simple, compound and complex. Already we have an idea of these three types of sentences, as well as we know how to convert these things from simple to compound, or from simple to complex, or from complex to compound, or simple to compound. Now certain rules and regulation will follow while doing these things. So here we are going through the textbook, and as you can see, first you are asked to do what? You are asked to join these sentences. Two parts are there. You are asked to join these things, and also you are asked to underline the conjunction use. It first is written, we ate a delicious meal. Now it should come with C. Now since I ate a large pizza. Okay. So when I go through this one, you can see I ate a large pizza, and that was cooked by an international chef. And you can see that is the conjunction used here. It is a longer one. Some 10 examples are there, so it is quite difficult here in this video to join this. I want that you should do this one because this is related to the previous chapter, conjunction. So you do this one by your own. So let us move further. The second part, it is written, I am planning to throw a birthday party next week. Okay. I wish to invite all my friends, but most of them are out of station. I am now thinking of keeping the party on the day when everyone is available. First one you can see as there is no use of conjunction. Second one you can see there is one conjunction, that is but, that is coordinating conjunction. And last one you can see there is the use of when, that is subordinating conjunction. So three sentences we can easily see. But what is written here? Let us read. You know that a sentence that contains one subject, one finite verb or predicate is a simple sentence at first. We have one subject here, I, and we have one finite verb, just like planning, this one. To throw is infinity. Okay. So we have the subject I and planning, that is the finite verb. So one subject, one finite verb, that is going to be a simple sentence. Now the second one you can see there are two. I wish to invite all my friends, that is one clause. Most of them are out of station. This is also one clause. So two clauses are joined using the preposition conjunction but. So it is compound sentence. Just keep it in mind. If you find coordinating conjunction in a sentence, you just qualify that sentence as compound sentence. I am now thinking of keeping the party on the day when everyone is available. Here you can see I am thinking of keeping the party on the day. This is main clause. Everyone is available. This is subordinate clause. And here we have one subordinating conjunction. When. So this is subordinating conjunction is used. So this is subordinating clause and this is complex sentence. So if you find any subordinating clause in a sentence or subordinating conjunction in a sentence, it is complex one. Now it is asked, write whether these sentences are simple, compound or complex. Avilasa said something that made me happy. That made me happy. Subordinating clause is there. So this is complex. He is considering going back to studies. He is considering going back to studies. So here we have no conjunction at all. So you can call it simple sentence. Can we work together? This is also simple sentence. Her bravery won her an award. This is also simple. Now my mom is making pasta and I am looking forward to it. Now and is used, so we can call it a compound sentence. The dog barked ferociously, so the cat ran away. So this is compound. I have seen the movie That. Subordinating conjunction, subordinating clause, complex sentence. There was an important meeting yesterday. There is no use of any conjunction here. So hardly there will be two clauses. So this is a perfect sentence. This is simple one. Now use these words to make simple, compound and complex sentences. Terms are given: morning, sun and breeze. Using these three terms you have to use one simple, compound and complex sentence. So first one you can write the morning sun appeared with a strong breeze. So this is a simple one, so there is no use of conjunction. I am speaking like this to make it easier. If I speak about finite, non-finite verb and all these things, it will go little harder. So I'm just trying to make it as easy as possible for you. But for better knowledge and for better perception, you should go for those definition as provided here. But only to make things easier, simplify it to everyone, this is done. Compound, so here you can use and other things. The morning sun appeared and there was a strong breeze. Third one, complex. So I can write like this: when the morning sun appeared, so you can see I have used a subordinating conjunction here, subordinating clause also this fully. There was a strong breeze. So you can see this way we can convert this simple same sentence we have written in three ways. As second one, it is provided park, trees and walk. You have to make simple, compound and complex. The next one, that is market busy festival. Second one you have to do by your own. Third one I'm going to do for you. Market busy festival. You have to make simple, compound and complex. Now this one, the annual festival kept the market busy. So second one, just like this one, there was an annual festival and the market was busy. Complex, since there was an annual festival comma the market was busy. So you can see here the subordinating conjunction used here. First one, little change I am bringing, and the change is this one, an annual festival. Okay, instead of the. So we have done two. Now this fourth one, friend with restaurant. So this one you have to do by your own. Finding doubts, kindly let me know. Work in pair, look at each picture and write 3 sentences. And you have to use both simple, compound and complex sentence. And you have to check those with your friends. So this is a practical use. This one, let us avoid these 2 pictures because presently it cannot be done using group. So here ends the chapter. So if you find doubts anywhere, you can inform me by WhatsApp or during the live class. So thank you everyone.